It's blurry. That's amazing. You jumped from there up to there?
Yeah.
Can you do it again? Do you have energy too?
Yep.
Wow. Good job. Parkour boss.
Yeah, you want to see me do some moves?
Okay.
For that, just stand right there in the corner. Watch for me.